So in this video, I'll show you how to create Allchinabuy account. After you open up your mobile phone, you can use your mobile phone or browser. So I will use my mobile phone. Just go to your Play Store, App Store, and install the app. After you install the app, just open the app like this. So after you open the app like this, now tap on this agree button and then choose English. So choose US dollar and then tap on this complete button. So from this option now, all you have to do, tap on this, go to this me at the bottom right side, your profile. After you come to your profile, tap on this sign up button. So from this option now, type in your email address. Type in your email address. So after you type in your email address, now type in your password and repeat your password in this option now, and make sure you check on this option, this one, and then tap on this sign off. After you tap on this sign off, from there it will take you to the sign up option, and then it will take you now to the Allchinabuy account. Now you create your account. So after you create the account, after you finish the verification, from there it will still take you back to this option now. It will ask you to sign in again. Just tap on this option now and type in your email address that you used to create the account. So after you type in the email address and the password, just tap on the sign in button. So after you tap on the sign in button, here it will ask you for this caption. All you have to do now, just swipe this one to right. All you have to do now, just make sure just to add this one to center like this, and then now it will take you into the Allchinabuy account. And that's it guys on how to create Allchinabuy account. Thank you for watching guys.